Welcome to our channel, where we bring you delicious recipes to impress your guests. Today, we'll show you how to make a mouth-watering strawberry gugelhupf that will leave everyone craving for more. So, let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease your gugelhupf pan generously with butter, ensuring every nook and cranny is coated. In a large mixing bowl, combine 200 grams of softened butter and 200 grams of sugar. Cream them together until light and fluffy. Add in 4 eggs, one at a time, and mix well after each addition. Now, it's time to add the star of our recipe, strawberries. Take 250 grams of fresh strawberries, wash them, and hull them. Then, chop them into small pieces and set aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together 250 grams of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add the dry mixture into the butter and sugar mixture, alternating with 100 milliliters of milk. Combine well until you have a smooth batter. Next, gently fold in the chopped strawberries. The vibrant red color will beautifully streak through the cake. Pour the batter into the prepared gugelhupf pan, and smooth the top with a spatula. Tap the pan on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. Now, it's time to bake this beauty in the oven for around 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's baked to perfection, remove the gugelhupf from the oven and let it cool in the pan for at least 15 minutes before transferring it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Just look at that golden crust and those juicy strawberries peeking through. Finally, dust some powdered sugar on top for a touch of elegance. Your guests won't be able to resist this delectable treat. Serve your strawberry gugelhupf with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra indulgence. It's a dessert that will have everyone asking for seconds. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes. Until next time, happy baking!